In this video, I am going to simplify these radical expressions. Let's start off with the first one, which is the fifth root of a to the power 5. You probably already know that this fifth root and the exponent 5, they kind of cancel each other out, giving you just a. However, this comes from the definition of nth root. So let's consider the nth root of the number a. Let's call it b. If we take nth root of a number a, we get the number b. By definition, this is what it means. If you take b and multiply b with itself n times, so remember, you are multiplying it n times, then you should get a, which is the same as saying if you multiply b n times, is going to give you b to the power n. So b to the power n is a. Now, if this b happens to be a, then things are different. So let's go ahead and give you an example. If I have n root of a to the power n, so in our case, a is being raised to the power n. Now, this is the same as saying a being multiplied n times. So this is the same as saying you're multiplying a n times. So that should give you a to the power n. So that's the reason this n exponent and this nth root, they cancel each other out, and that gives you a. So in general, you can assume that nth root of a to the power n is a, or nth root of b to the power n is gonna be b. So that's a rule that comes from the definition. Now I can go ahead and use this definition or rule to simplify the square root of x minus 1 whole square. Now remember, square root means there is an implicit 2 here. So now this 2 exponent, this second root 2, they're going to cancel each other out. That's going to give you just x minus 1. Now the last one, this one is actually rather not too bad. You can simplify it as follows. 36x square, I could write it as 6x whole square. Then 9y square, I could write it as 3y whole square. And the middle term, negative 36xy, look, this is the same as 2 times 6x times 3y. 2 times 6 is 12, times 3 is 36. You have 36, and x times y is xy. Now, why did I do that? I did that so that I could express it as a perfect square. This expression under the square root is like a square plus 2 times a times b plus b square. But you know that's the perfect square formula, which says that this is the same as a plus b whole square. But in our case, we have minus, so this is going to be minus and this is going to be minus. So I could rewrite this thing under the square root as 6x minus 3y whole square. Now remember, there is an implicit 2 here, we just don't write it. So this second root and the second power, they're going to cancel each other out. That's going to give you just 6x minus 3y. And that's what it is. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.